Hello, welcome to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. Let's provide answer to this question. Remember, we are still under small change of application of differentiation. This is the fourth episode on this subtopic. You remember, for the first introduction, we deal with two methods. So I'll try to employ all the two methods in this episode within 5 minutes. Let's see how we can do that. So we have to calculate delta y, given that y equals to 4 minus 9x and delta x equals to what? 0.1. So this is the change in the x, and the change in the y is what we are looking for. The y is here and the x is here. So I'll begin with the alternate method first. So from here, if I have y equals to 4 minus 9x, the small change is a change added to y. So I can say y plus that small change, that's delta y, equals to 4 minus 9 into bracket x plus the small change. We are increasing the y by the change and increasing the x here by the change. So if that is the case, we can expand and simplify. That is going to be y plus delta y equals to 4 minus 9x minus 9 delta x, right? But we can see that in this place, we can give the y here as this value. You can see this y is equal to this. So that becomes y is 4 minus 9x plus the delta y equals to 4 minus 9x minus 9 delta x. You can see clearly that if you take 4 and bring this 4 there, 4 minus 4, it will be 0. Negative 9. When you bring this negative 9 become positive, it will be 0. So we left with only delta y equals to minus, don't forget this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. So we have minus 9 delta what? X. But what is a delta x? Delta x is given to us here. So I'll only say this become minus 9 times 0.1. And that will give you negative 0.9. This is the final small change. Remember, under small change, we are talking about there could be an increase or a decrease. So here the change is a decrease. That is why we are having negative. The change is a positive change. That is why we are having positive for delta what? X. Now, let's take the formula itself that we talked about in the beginning. So here, I know all the parameters already. So I begin with, so the alternate method is dy dx equals to the differentiation of this. You know, when you differentiate this, you get 0. Then if you differentiate this, you'll be having only the negative 9. So I have negative 9. Then we know that the change in y divided by the change in x is approximately dy dx. So if I'm looking for the change in y, your change in y will be approximately delta y over delta, dy dx times the delta what? X. And what is the dy dx? The dy dx is minus 9. So delta y is approximately minus 9 times 0.1, which is the same delta x we have here. So this is going to be approximately minus 0.9, just as we have here. So we can use this method, or we can also use this method, provided we understand and pick the choice. Don't forget to subscribe, like, follow, and share.